Have you been struggling with math and finding it hard to get good grades? Do you want to improve your grades without spending hours with a private tutor or paying expensive fees for extra classes? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we will be exploring the best online math resources that can help you improve your grades. Stay tuned for tips, tricks, and valuable information that will make math a breeze. Finding the right online math resources. With the rise of technology, there are many online platforms and websites that offer math resources. However, not all of them are created equally. It is important to find the right resources that cater to your specific needs and learning style. We will explore some of the most popular online math resources such as Khan Academy, Mathway, and Math Help, and discuss their features and benefits. Utilizing online math resources. Many students tend to overlook the full potential of online math resources. These resources offer a variety of options that can help you learn in different ways. Whether it's watching video lessons, taking quizzes, solving problems, or getting help from online tutors, there is always an online math resource that can cater to your needs. We will show you how to make the most of these resources and discuss tips and tricks to improve your grades. Hypothetical scenario. To understand how online math resources can be utilized in a practical way, we will present a hypothetical scenario. We will show you how you can use online math resources to solve a math problem step by step. Through this scenario, you will see how online resources can help you break down a complex problem into manageable parts. By now, you have learned how to find the right online math resources and how to utilize them effectively. You don't need to spend hours studying math or pay expensive fees for extra classes. You can improve your grades with the help of online math resources. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website for more helpful resources. Top math study apps and tools for students. Hey there! Are you tired of struggling with math assignments? Are you looking for efficient tools to help you study and ace your math exams? Well, look no further. We got you covered with some of the top math study apps and tools that will make your learning experience a breeze. Let's start with one of the most popular apps, PhotoMath. This app allows you to simply take a photo of the math problem you're struggling with, and it will provide you with a step-by-step solution. Not only perfect for checking your homework, but it's also great for understanding how to solve a problem. Next up, we have Wolfram Alpha, a powerful computational search engine that can help you solve complex math problems. Unlike other search engines, Wolfram Alpha provides detailed and accurate answers to your math queries, making it a valuable resource for any math student. But what if you need more visual assistance? In that case, GeoGebra is the app for you. It helps students learn geometry, algebra, and calculus through interactive tools and diagrams. With over 500 downloads, students worldwide use this app as their go-to for visual mathematical learning. Now, what happens when you don't have any internet connection? That's where Mathway comes in handy. This app provides offline access to mathematical problems and their solutions. Best of all, it covers a wide range of subjects and topics, including algebra, statistics, and trigonometry. Last but not least, say hello to Khan Academy. It's perfect for students who prefer a complete curriculum with video lessons, practice exercises, and quizzes. It covers a wide range of topics, not just math, and tracks your progress so you know where you stand. So there you have it, folks, some of the top math study apps and tools for students. Whether you need help with algebra, calculus, or geometry, there's an app or tool to help you study and progress. Make sure to check them out and see which one works best for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell to receive updates on our latest content. For more helpful resources, check out our website. Thanks for watching.